In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has risen by more than 10% and has broken above all the critical levels of resistance. This has led to many speculate whether we have broken the key downside risk and we have started a move back towards $50,000 or even $60,000. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at what are the key levels of resistance for Bitcoin, what is the Bitcoin dominance chart saying, and also what are the patterns that are getting played out in the Bitcoin chart. So you definitely don't want to miss this video.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram and join our discussion family. This is absolutely free of cost and the link for it is given in the description below as well as in the pinned comments. Also make sure you join our announcements channel as well, when we keep you up to date from all the happenings from the world of cryptocurrency on a real-time basis. So let's jump on to the Bitcoin charts. So first we are going to look at the Bitcoin USD 4-hour chart, and as we see, we have broken this key level of the triangles already. So we have broken above it and we have made a higher high, which is a very good thing that we have seen right now. Also, we have made a higher low, which indicates that possibly a move has begun to the upside. What are the key levels of resistance for us? Key level of resistance is at about 39,300. So we are just at about the key level of resistance. Why I say this might serve as a key level of resistance is basically because it has acted as resistance in the past, and if we look left on the chart as well, we may see that it has acted as resistance here as well. So yeah, this is a key level to watch out for currently. If we quickly pull out the Fibonacci retracement, we'll be able to see more precisely what are the levels of resistance and what are the levels of support. So as we can see, this level of 37,900 was acting as a very strong resistance. Then we have broken above it and we have confirmed it with this candle which treated this as a support, so which is a very good sign for us. Then we have gone past this high of about 38,500 and then we are near this key resistance area of 39,350. So has the move been confirmed? That is the one major question. For me personally, I would like to see a bit more volume per se on the game. If you see, the volume is still very low right here. It has not picked up very well, so that is a bit of a concern to me personally speaking. So as we can see, the volume is okay, it's in the average part, but it has to pick up. We need a few more green candles with higher volume, then we can confirm the breakout, which is very important. I will not be surprised if we get a rejection here or we get a rejection at 40,760 and we kind of go something like this. So that is also very much possible. Okay, also let us quickly view the moving averages, what they are saying. So we are actually on the 200 period moving average right now, as we can see here. So the 200 period moving average is at 39,290 approximately. We have just broken above it as I am making this video. You can pause this video right now and you can see what is the status of Bitcoin right at the point when you are watching this video, whether we have been able to sustain above the 200 period moving average or not. That is a very important thing to note. Now let's jump on to the Bitcoin USD daily chart, and very important pattern which I have noticed is getting played out here, which is the double bottom pattern, right? So this is basically the double bottom pattern which I would like to highlight to you right here. So if you can call it a W pattern as well. So we had tweeted about this as well. So if you are not following us on Twitter, make sure you follow us on Twitter. That is where we keep you up to date from all the real-time updates as well. So make sure you follow us on Twitter. The link is given in the description below. Coming back to this double bottom pattern, so our baseline is somewhere around this of 33,550 and our top would be somewhere around $40,000 if I'm not mistaken. Then if we are to confirm this breakout, if we have to move ahead, this is a very bullish pattern. By the way, a double bottom pattern is a bullish pattern. So if we tend to break out, our target could very well be at around $46,000. Now, do I feel that we are gonna jump straight to $46,000? I don't personally think so. I believe there are a lot of resistances which will be there. Let's pull out the moving average, and let's see what the moving averages are saying. So yes, so basically the 200-day moving average, as you can see, will act as a strong resistance. It has acted as strong resistance on multiple locations here, and currently the 200-day moving average is at about 42,485 or 42,500, we may consider it. That will act as a very strong resistance. After that, of course, the 50-day will act as a strong resistance as well. So these are the few levels that we need to watch out for. If we pull out the fib retracement, then we'll be able to see that we have broken above the 37,900 level which I was talking about. Then as far as the fib retracement is concerned, our next level of resistance is at about 43,100. That is something that we have to look out for in the next few days. But then again, the volume is not encouraging me at all. Rather, on the contrary of being rising, it is actually on a downward pattern. As we can see, this is not a good sign for us currently. So this is something that we definitely need to watch out for as well. Let's pull out the RSI and see what the RSI has in store for us. So the RSI, as we can see right here, we have actually printed a higher high, which is a very good thing, as you can see right here. So the price is somewhere around this region of 39,400 or so, but still we have printed a higher high. This is a divergence, and it is a bullish divergence. So this is actually a good sign coming from the RSI on the daily time frame as well. If we are to talk quickly about the weekly time frame, then on the weekly we are seeing that we have printed 3 green candles on the trot, and this week also we have started on a green candle, which is a good sign. If we pull out the bull market support band, which is the 20-week SMA and the 21-week EMA, then we can see the first level of resistance for us is at about 42,900, which is the 21-week EMA. That will act as a strong resistance. Now, what do I feel is gonna happen if we tend to break above it? First of all, this will act as a strong resistance for us going forward, but if we tend to break above it, then we need to test it. Okay, then we need to rise above, we need to test it, treat this as a support, and then only the upward move will be confirmed. Why do I say so? If we just look left on the charts, which we always do on this channel, we can always see that, see here, we broke above it, we tested it, treated it as a support, went above, again tested it as a support, and then our parabolic rise from $10,000 all the way up to $65,000. There are occasions where we haven't been able to test it as a support and we have broken below it. So one of the examples is right here. So wherein in 2019 March we broke above it, then we failed to test it as a support, we came down it, again we tried breaking through it, but this time the 20-week SMA act as a strong resistance, we got rejected again, and then we again broke above it. This time it was the massive crash that happened in March 2020 that took us all the way down to about $3,800. So yeah, the most important thing is if we are able to break above the bull market support band, first of all it will act as a strong resistance, but if we are able to break above it, then the next point of action from our side would be to watch if we treat this as a support or this is another dead cat bounce. Again, I'm repeating, the volume is not too encouraging here. So if I just pull out the volume is not encouraging at all on the daily chart. So this is something which is of a bit of a concern to me. The volumes need to rise to at least what the levels were back in April. Otherwise, it would be very difficult for us to maintain and sustain over these levels, and a correction might just be on the cards. Now, if I have to talk about the Bitcoin dominance chart, here we can see that probably we are forming a double bottom pattern, quite possible right here. So a double bottom pattern, as I mentioned earlier, is a very bullish pattern, by the way, and if this double bottom pattern plays out, what could be the impact on altcoins? So possibly Bitcoin would be rising, the altcoins in their dollar value might see some increase or they might move sideways, but the altcoin values in respect to Bitcoin will suffer for sure. If we are to pull out the fib retracement on the weekly, then we can see that the 47% will act as a resistance here, but I personally feel we might test this 52% and even some chances are there of us treating or testing this 56% dominance level of Bitcoin as well. So in the short term, I am not doing any trade currently. I want this particular candle to close above the resistance of 37,962 and treat this as a support. Then probably we can go for a trade for a long possibly. I will keep you posted on Twitter and our Telegram channel. Make sure you follow us on both the places. The link for them are given in the description below. That's pretty much it about this video from Bitcoin. Bitcoin had risen by approximately 10%. Some people are saying it's because of the tweet from a certain individual. Then again, I would not like to believe so. But on the charts, yes, it is playing out again. As I say, that the news acts as a catalyst for the chart. So as of now, I don't see, unless and until we get some decent volume on the charts, that we will be able to sustain here. Subscribe to our channel, follow us on Twitter to stay up to date from all the news from the world of cryptocurrencies. Also, let us know which are some of the other altcoins that you would like us to cover. Yesterday we had made a video on VeChain, and prior to that we made a video on Cardano, which was requested from our community members. Probably we'll do a XRP video anytime soon as well. So do let us know which are some of the other coins you would like us to analyze as well. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family and give them the opportunity to earn from Bitcoin and change their lives, which Bitcoin has done for so many people. That's pretty much it about this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.